I just got home. It is like 7:16 at night in Georgia. So I'm just doing something really quick, but it still tastes good. A bag of these meatballs. Okay. You only need half an onion. Half, unless you like a lot of onion, you put the whole thing in. Egg noodles. Egg noodles. And then I got these. I get the ones with the mushrooms in it because mushrooms go really bad really quick. So I got 2 jars of these because I like more gravy. So I'm going to go ahead and prep. Okay. And I like to use this, especially if you don't like a lot of salt and you don't know what this is. This is a good thing. See, salt free. So, but it still has a lot of flavor. So, I just put a dab of oil. I buy this at Sam's, that's why it's so big. Just a little bit. Okay. Turn it down a notch. I put it on like, 3 or 4. Like I said, mine's gas. You can throw the stuff in the trash and get a wooden spoon. And this is Pampered Chef. The pots and pans are not anything. Yeah, I put onions and the meatballs, the frozen ones, and then the garlic. And let the water boil. So I go ahead and do this. So as it's cooking, the season and get into everything. And it's just 3 of us tonight for dinner, just 3. Egg noodles, don't do yet because they cook really, really fast. So, when it's almost ready, then you can put and cook. Okay, so the meat is kind of soft and a little bit brown. And then, when the meat is finished, wiggle. You can pour it over it. I do 2 jars. Wiggle. And also I added this. Garlic is good for the heart. So that's why I use a lot. And then mix it up. Give it more flavor. You can add like real mushrooms if you want. The longer you let it cook, the more flavor it is. We can go ahead and do excuse me. Try to use up a bag. You can put it on low just so it can simmer. Then next I'm going to make the stove top garlic bread.